For question number 15, we have a start time of 11:35 a.m. and an infusion time of 5 hours and 42 minutes. And they want to know what the completion time is. So I'm going to start with 11:35 and add 5:42. So I want to add up my minutes to get 77 and then add up my hours to get 16. Okay, so there's a couple things wrong with this. Let's first look at the minutes. So you'll never see 77 in the minutes column. Actually, on a clock or a watch, the highest you ever see the minutes is 59. So within this 77 minutes, there's an hour here. So I need to subtract 60 minutes from this, and that's actually an hour. So I need to add that hour to the hours column. So I subtract 60 and then carry over this 1. So that's going to leave me with 17 in the minutes column as well as 17 in the hours column. Now, it's okay to have 17 in the minutes column. It's not okay to have 17 in the hours column, at least for AM and PM time. So in order to convert it to an appropriate hours for the 12-hour clock, I need to subtract 12. And that's going to get you 517. So this is 5:17 p.m. and it's p.m. because we started out at 11:35 a.m. and if you go 5 hours and 42 minutes, then that's going to put you in the afternoon.